Bahala.
mo!
Take charge of the post and all companies properties. In view and protect, preserve, and disable all post diligence. To work in other manner.
Anong Libinjo yan?
Sir, pangalawa sir. To work in other manner. During the tour of duties. Observing everything. Observing everything.
All my superior officer cover by instruction. Your number 9.
Loader.
To sound and call the alarm in case of fire disorder.
Yo number 10, to salute all company official, supervisor, agency official, ranking public official, officer of PNP and AAP. Yo number 11, to be especially watchful at night during the time for challenging no one to pass out without proper authority.
Yo 9, to call the superior officer. To call the superior officer in case not covered by instruction. Yo 10, to salute all company officers. To salute the company officers, supervisors, agency officials, ranking public officials, and officer of the PNP and AUP.
GO number 2. Toll in alert manner during on the tour by duty observing the that takes place side road. GO number 1. To take charge of the post and all company properties and use.
GO number 1, to take charge of the post and all company properties and use.
And to take preserve and save with utmost diligence. GO number 2. To open alert manner during tour duty. Observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing.
GO number 3, to report on violation of regulation or order instructed to enforce. GO number 4, to relay or call from post from the security house or army station.
GO number 1, to take charge of my post and all company property in view to protect, preserve, the same with the utmost diligence. GO number 11, to be especially watchful at night during time of challenging, to challenge all person on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority.
Good.
Year number 5.
Maliban nga